बैक। तो आज हम लोग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बना रहे हैं। यू कैन हैव इट लाइक फॉर योर मिडनाइट स्नैक, अभी 11 बज रहे हैं वहाँ पे, और फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, हमारे घर में आई मेक इट जस्ट अबाउट एनी टाइम। सो व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग इज अ वेजिटेबल पैनकेक विथ पनीर स्टफ्ड इन इट। फिर हम इसे रोल करेंगे एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग। आई वाज मेकिंग माय गार्निश उसके अंदर डालने, ठीक है। सो दिस इज अ रियली फन इजी रेसिपी। So we first, you know, वो जो मैं पनीर स्टफिंग कर रही हूँ, it's entirely your choice. You don't have to use paneer if you're vegan. अगर आपके vegan options हैं, then do not put paneer. You can put just vegetables, just cucumber, carrots, जो भी आपको चाहिए, या फिर nothing. Even that's fine. Okay, the pancake itself इतनी nutritious है कि you can just about do anything you want with it. So this vegetable pancake, we are using whole wheat, besan and rice flour, 3 different flours. Again, the option is yours. You can replace whole wheat with oat flour, you can use gluten-free flour, almond flour. Options are yours, but मैं 3 different flours use कर रही हूँ. Some masalas, and then I'm using some vegetables, you know, like carrots, cabbage. I have arugula here, onions. You can use the carrots and cabbage like I'm doing today, या फिर आप zucchini add कर सकते हैं, cucumbers, just be very creative. Okay, so this is a fun, easy recipe and I hope you guys like it. So for this we're going to start with paneer. अमूल का पनीर है और मैंने ना उनको ऐसे thick sticks में काटा हुआ है. Okay, just so that when you put it in the pancake and roll it, it just looks nicer. Again, option is yours. मैंने उसे ऐसे भुर्जी टाइप ग्रेट करके भी बनाया है and it is really good. So to start off, we're going to use paneer. I'm just going to make a few अभी, but you know, and मैं अपना recipe जो link है I'm going to post it later so that you can easily follow it. ठीक है, तो पनीर में हमने थोड़ा सा लाल मिर्च पाउडर, ठीक है, some salt. Spices are all according to your taste. वैसे मेरी रेसिपी में I have put half spoon, 1 spoon, but you change it, okay? An interesting thing which I'm going to use today is my, I call it my achari masala, which I have made myself. Basically, it's got all these little seeds in them. तो मेथी seeds है, सौंफ है, mustard seeds है, और कलौंजी है, ठीक है, and मैंने उसमें थोड़ा black pepper भी डाला हुआ. I just roasted it and I make my own achari masala and I put it in vegetables, आलू, बैंगन, you just name it. आज मैं इसे पनीर में डाल रही हूँ, ठीक है. Okay, and some olive oil. And इसको थोड़ा 2 मिनट, you know, just let it, just stir fry it, let it sit. So depending on आप कितने pancakes बना रहे हैं, you know, you may have to use more or less of the paneer, ठीक है. So this is one prep. The second preparation is going to be of our batter. Because let me just come this way. All right, like I said, I have whole wheat atta, roti wala atta, chapati wala atta, whatever you want. But like I said, you opt कर सकते हैं for oatmeal flour, gluten-free flour, almond flour. So half a cup of whole wheat. Then I have half a cup of rice flour. ठीक है, ये हो गया. And आधा कप बेसन, chickpea flour. Yeah. ठीक है. And then we are going to spice it up. Once again, you need salt. ठीक है, salt. I'm just going to put some cumin powder. It's about half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of haldi, turmeric. Like a teaspoon lal mirch, red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of mango powder, just for that extra flavor. And I am going to use about half a teaspoon of Eno fruit salt, just about a half. So that's Hamara good old Eno. So Eno is a mix of baking soda, citric acid, and salt. So it's considered to be an antacid, but when you use it in cooking like this, it makes it fluffy and crisp. So I like the feel of it. Again, optional, आपको डालना है, so that's good. Otherwise, you can do without. Now again, the salt and pepper, अपने हिसाब से डालिए, you know, whatever feels good to you. Right? Now to this, we're going to load it up with veggies. So the thing is कि I grew up in Bombay, right? And मेरी मम्मी वो बनाती थी थाली पीठ, dhapate, different. So it was basically a means of getting vegetables in your food कि बच्चे वो खाएं. So she used to use all kinds of vegetables, but their batter बहुत thick होता था. They used to actually use your hand and pat it onto a pan. मगर मैंने अपना वो twist कर दिया. I've made it like a more pourable consistency. It's much easier on the hands, cooks fast. Okay, so this is what we do. We put some green chilies. I had chopped like one green chili. About half a cup of finely chopped onions. You have to chop it finely so that वो मुंह में नहीं आए बाद में. Okay, then I have carrots. I like carrots, so I'm going to put a good cup of grated carrot. And very finely chopped cabbage. And to add some color to it all, I have some cilantro, coriander, जो मैंने chop किया हुआ. I'm just going to toss that. It's as simple as that. Just mix it up. Any questions for me?
Mahua is saying hi.
Hi, Mahua.
And Shruti Lodha, she's your old fan.
Hi, guys. Welcome. And I hope you guys make this इतना आसान है, इतना versatile है, and so flexible. It's so flexible, whatever you want. ठीक है, अब हम इसमें पानी ऐड करेंगे. I have about 2 cups of water, but you know आप अपने हिसाब से थोड़ा डालिए and make the batter fluid but thick. Okay, like a pancake batter. और जैसे आप मिलाते जाओगे ये आटा थोड़ा गाढ़ा होता जाएगा. So just make sure that you have enough water in it ताकि वो pourable consistency हो. Once I make this, I'm going to take all the trays away and I'll put the pans on so that we can get started making the pancakes.
Sonu Khanna ji, Sonu Katyal.
Oh, hi Sonu. Good to see you. Okay, so you do that. So the batter has to be of pourable consistency, not too thin, not too thick.
Can you say again, Bharti Bayan is asking, what are you making?
So I'm making vegetable pancakes. So basically ये different flours को use करके मैंने batter बनाया है, उसमें grated vegetables डाले. You can put any vegetable of your choice. मैंने carrots और cabbage डाला है, प्याज, हरी मिर्च and coriander. But see, that's it. Because I wanted to show that. See the batter is like pourable. इसको आप pour कर सकते हो, मगर it's not thick. So in traditional dhapate or thali pith, this is actually so thick कि वो ऐसे you can actually pat it onto the pan. वो हम नहीं करने वाले. I can't do that. Okay, so this is it. I might put a little bit more salt, just to be sure, a little bit more lal mirch for taste. Okay, but again, that's entirely your choice. There you go. Now our batter is ready. I'm just going to clean up a little bit so I have space. This. All right.
Neha Walia is on.
Oh, Neha is on. Hey, Neha. Okay, so पहले हम ये करेंगे कि we will just cook up the paneer to make it crisp, and we put that aside. Okay. So for that, as most of you know, I always blend olive oil and our desi ghee together. This takes up the heating temperatures for both, and the ghee gives it that nutty flavor, so I really like that. मैंने I think 2-3 चम्मच घी के डाल दिए. Oh well. Alright, and ये जो पनीर था, so again the paneer has salt, red chili powder, and my achari mix. So it gives it a good spicy flavor. It's pretty tasty. I'll put all my recipes up in the comments or description में, so that you can follow it. Okay? I think my ghee is ready. I'm just gonna थोड़ा सा brown करूँगी इसको. I don't have to cook it much. Now I'm just going to let it brown a little, become a little crisp. फिर हम इसे निकाल देंगे, and then we'll start with our pancakes. Then we'll put it together, and we're done. So this is a very healthy option. You know, kids like it, और आपके जो भी vegetables हैं वो आप खत्म कर सकते हैं. You know, you can make sure your kids are eating the veggies. There you go. It's sizzling, smells good. वो जो अचारी मसाला है, it really brings out the flavor. So I use it for आलू, जब आप सूखे आलू बना रहे हो या बैंगन or zucchini, any stir-fried vegetable, I just put it on it. It's not such a super flavor. सबको पसंद है. Like when they come home and I make it for people, my friends, they are like, wow.
Suraj is online.
Suraj is online. Hi Suraj. That's my brother. I'm glad we get to keep so much in touch, you know, because of ये सारे हमारी online technology. Alright. I'm pretty happy with how this looks. सारा जो spice है उसमें incorporate हो गया. Our paneer is not bland anymore.
Okay, so Neha is asking, can we make batter without the rice flour?
Yeah, absolutely. So rice flour के instead of that, you can use oat flour, almond flour, anything. या फिर totally skip कर सकते हो, you know. This just gives it like a little crispy touch, the rice flour. Yeah, I think this is done. मैं उसे निकाल के एक हूँ. So I have these cute little plates which says salty, sweet. This is going to be a little salty. There. Alright, I'm going to just take it out and let it rest while we make the pancakes.
Can you speak a little bit more in Hindi? I think some people are.
Zarur. तो मैंने पनीर को वो लाल मिर्च, नमक और मेरे अचारी मसाला में थोड़ा सा ऑलिव ऑयल में उसे सोक करके रखा हुआ था, और मैंने उसे सिर्फ पैन फ्राई किया हुआ है लाइटली, जस्ट टू मेक इट क्रिस्प। थोड़ा सा क्रिस्प हो गया, अभी मैं इसे अलग रख दूंगी व्हाइल वी मेक अ पैनकेक, और मैं इसे इस घी और तेल के मिक्स को संभाल के रख रही हूँ सो दैट आई कैन मेक द रेस्ट ऑफ इट लेटर। ठीक है, ये दिस गोज बैक देयर, and we're going to change our pan, and I will need our ghee, and I will need this and that. तो अब हम बनाएंगे हमारे vegetable pancakes. So here, once more we'll go over the batter. So I have a blend of 3 flour. So I have आटा, बेसन और चावल का आटा, एंड उसमें मैंने थोड़े स्पाइसेस डाले, लाइक लाल मिर्च, काली मिर्च, काली मिरी का पाउडर, क्यूमिन, जीरा पाउडर, मैंगो पाउडर, नमक, और फिर उसमें हमने वेजिटेबल्स मिक्स करे, कैरेट्स, कैबेज, अनियन और हरी मिर्च, एंड सम धनिया और हरा धनिया। ठीक है, एंड सी अभी जब रखा था 2 मिनट तो थोड़ा सा गाढ़ा हो गया है, but this is perfect, this is what we want. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to scoop up about half a cup of the batter, and we're going to put it right onto the pan. Just spread it out a little. So आप देखिए कैसे, you know, you can see कि वो vegetables अभी तक दिखाई दे रहे हैं मगर ज्यादा मुंह में नहीं आएंगे. Okay, I'm going to थोड़ा सा घी डालूंगी ना. This ghee smells so good. So when it's cooking, just like pancake जो आप बनाते हो with मैदा, and उसमें हम सिरप डालेंगे, fruits डालते हैं, the same way इस batter में भी वो छोटे छोटे holes आ जाते हैं, that you know it's cooking, so it's steaming from inside. Okay, so you will know कि जब उसे flip करना है. It's coming along very well. Right, and then I'm going to simply flip it. Perfect. So look at that, it's got a nice goldenish color. You don't need to put any more ghee on it, but if you want to, you can thoda sa aur dal do. It just makes it crisper, moister, pretty good. So you let it cook दोनों तरफ से, and then we will set it up. आपको बैटर अगर थोड़ा गाढ़ा लगने लगे तो just add a little bit more water. I think I'm going to do that. I just put a spark more.
Sabyasachi is asking, is this your own recipe or?
Yes, it is like a modified recipe. It's my mother's recipe, मगर मैंने उसे modify कर दिया है to suit us and our life, and it's just so much easier. तो अगर आप ये बना के रखोगे, you can keep it in the fridge or the freezer and then reheat it. It's just as good. So Maharashtra में ना ये बनता है, like but in a different manner. Like I said, it's much thicker. And उसको वो हाथ से इस पे करते हैं and then घी लगाते हैं and they make it crisp, very crisp. Okay, so this guy is ready. Look at that. As easy as that. When your kids come back from school, they will love this. Trust me. ऊपर से अगर आपने पनीर डाल दिया उसमें तो that's it, right? just stir fry peppers, onions अपने air fryer में मैं इसको stir fry कर देती हूँ, just 5-10 minutes के लिए becomes crisp. Then I put that in there and roll it. It's still as good. All right. There you go. Isn't this easy? And most often सारे ingredients सबके घर में होते हैं. And if you have to change something, कुछ है कुछ नहीं, वो भी चलता है. Like it's a very flexible recipe. It's cooking. I think Vikas is going to eat this for lunch. He came home in the middle of his day to do this recording for me, and for he'll go back to the clinic. अभी बच्चे चले गए वापस to school, so there's just us. I think India maybe life is almost coming back to normal, right? Isn't that great? Perfect. So look at that. It's got this perfect color, perfect texture. I wish you could taste it. It smells so good. I don't know, ghee ki wajah se smelling good. It just smells great. And then I'll show you how I'm going to put it together so it looks really good. So these are, we're keeping our traditions, but changing it, ताकि हम बना सके ये सब खाना, because we are so short of time nowadays, and with this COVID, सारे ingredients भी आसानी से नहीं मिल रहे थे, but you kind of adapt, make it yours, make it new. I'm just trying to let it cook a little faster. There you go. It looks good. मैं इसे 2 minutes और रखूंगी because after all it is atta. You gotta make sure that it is cooked completely. So about 2-3 minutes on each side should be good. Yeah, now I feel more comfortable with this one. 2 minutes or on the other side, and we should be good. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take this one out also. अब मैं इसे सबको बंद करने वाली हूँ. Just gonna move this out of the way. Alright, so see how wonderful they are. They are like soft, they're fluffy, they have a crisp edge. थोड़ा सा crisp edge. It is really tasty. अगर आपको चाहिए तो you can just cut it into 4. हमने चटनी और या hot and sweet, Maggi hot and that's a must हमारे घर में. You can just eat it with that, or you can do what I'm doing. So I'm going to take one at a time, and I have regular हरी चटनी, पुदीना धनिया वाली हरी चटनी है मेरे पास, तो मैं उसको इस पे स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ. Right? And थोड़ा ये मेरे पास इसको rocket leaves कहते हैं. We call it arugula. थोड़ा peppery taste है, crunchy. It's a crunchy vegetable leaf. ठीक है? And then let's place our paneer right there. And then I'm going to simply roll it. How lovely is that? Perfect. I would eat that. One more. My guy's coming out. Just थोड़ा pack करना पड़ रहा है because it's thick. So पनीर अपना हरी चटनी डाल दिया because पनीर के लिए you need some हरी चटनी, right? some arugula, croquette salad, your chari paneer sticks. You have an option, like I did slice some purple onion, your jalapeno, jinko aur mirch chahiye, right? And then you simply roll it. And you have to secure it. And there's my garnish. I have a garnish. Perfect. Good. Voila. Ready. So this is your healthiest pancake. It's savory, spicy. उसमें हमने पनीर stuff किया है. I just have some strawberry on the side just to make it sweeter. But I hope you enjoy it. Be creative. आपको जो सब्जी चाहिए, you can put in it. It cooks very well, very easily at any time. So enjoy it. Follow me on Facebook, Smita's Urban Kitchen, Instagram, or I have a blog. So I'm gonna ये जो recipe है, मैंने ठीक से लिखा हुआ. There are some pictures. I think there's a video in it. I'm gonna put that link in my comments so that you can follow it. All right, and enjoy.
Isha is saying hi. Here, Isha.
Hi, Isha.
And do you want to ask any questions?
Any questions, guys? You can always ask me questions in the comments, and मैं हर एक comment पढ़ती हूँ, and I reply, and I really, really appreciate you guys in my life. Thank you so much.